guys, welcome back to my channel. So starting this video off like this, I am going to I already moisturized my face with my moisturizing cream, and we're going in with Morphe's eyebrow palette. Yes, eyebrow palette in that shade. It's like in the middle of light and dark color. I don't know exactly what it is. And then I'm going in with my angled brush Mato. Yes, brush. And this brush comes in, I bought it off of Amazon and it came in like a 10-piece brush set. So it's one of my favorites actually. And I'm filling in my eyebrows. I mean, they're pretty thick already, I guess, but I just like to fill them in. I don't know. It looks so much better. First of all, I used to never fill them in. And then I went from not filling them in at all to filling them in and not cleaning them up. And then I saw that a friend of mine used to do it. And I'm like, is that hard? She's like, no, it's not. It's just practice. So then I started cleaning up my eyebrows with concealer. And oh my gosh, like I've never looked back. But I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to go in with this brush that I bought from Hobby Lobby and going in with my Anastasia concealer and cleaning my eyebrows up. I'm so sad, you guys, because Anastasia does not make this anymore. I'm so sad. Like, what the heck? But yeah, the brush I bought at Hobby Lobby, and it is just a flat pencil brush or define. I forgot what it said. What did it say? I have it in front of me, you guys. Chisel blender. There you go. It's a chisel blender. But it worked for me. I was actually looking to buy, because I already have a MAC one, but that one I use just for my clients. And I was going to buy another one, but I was like, why don't I just go to either Michael's or Hobby Lobby? Because I've done that before in the past. And it's worked out pretty well for me. So there I go, blending that concealer out with my finger. Yep. I don't know why I do that with my lips, you guys, if you guys caught that. It's so weird. And then I clean up the top part. I don't know why. Sometimes it's so difficult to, when I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, the top part. I don't know if you guys can see that little like it sinks. I don't know. It's like a little like bump. And I see it, but I'm just like, ugh. I fixed it later, but not on the video. And that's what I'm like looking at, like, what the heck? Like, that bump needs to go away. Just fixing it. Now I'm going to go with Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. This is my favorite, you guys. I currently have been using as well the NARS, the smudge proof eyeshadow primer. And that's great. But this one, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this paint pot because I love to do really bold colors, really bright, pinks, purples, blues, and all that good stuff. So I think that this one really works out for those kind of looks. I don't know why. It just really, really helps. It's really neat. So it's my favorite. I actually have to buy one for my kit because it just works out better. I don't know. That's just me. But I love it. And now, you guys, I'm going to go... What brush is that? I'm going to go in with Morphe's MG Grand Glam, you guys. That's my favorite palette in that kind of like a brownish color. And I think it's a Sigma E35 or E25. I'm not sure. It's just a blending brush. And I'm just kind of going back and forth on that. And it doesn't necessarily have to go on the crease, which it's supposed to. If it falls on your lid, that is okay as well, because you're going to cover it anyways. So it really doesn't matter. But as long as you get that harsh line of while you're blending, that's all, pretty much all you need to do. So, but yeah, this palette, you guys, has been my most favorite palette ever. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with that palette. I kind of wish I ordered another. Well, not wish. I want to order another one. I'm going to go in with the same palette, but with a darker color. It's kind of more like on the brownish side. But I'm thinking, like I said, I'm thinking of buying another palette for my kit because those are the colors that usually I'll get. I haven't gotten brides yet, but I feel like that would be a really good palette for like, brides and stuff like that. So I've done quinceañeras so far and just, girls who just want to get their makeup done. That brush that I showed you guys is just I'm blending out the brown shadow. It's just a Morphe. It doesn't really have a name or I mean, not a name. Yes, it does, but not like what it is. And like it's like the Morphe 510 or M this and that. Like, no, it just says Morphe and that's it. It's just more of like a blending brush. And that brush that I'm using right there, you guys, the ones that you see, this one's a Sigma wider shader, wide shader E59, and that's what I'm using to apply the brown shadow. I don't think I mentioned it to you guys, or at least show you on the camera. So that's how I was like, oops. And then I'm going back with that Morphe brush to kind of just blend the shadow out. And then I'm going to go in with, I got to see these brushes, you guys, because I have it here. I love that shadow. It's the Morphe Firm Shader E57 brush. And I'm going to go in with more of like a bright, shiny, like a bit of a highlight for my brow bone. And yeah, so I'm just kind of going over. Now, you guys, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. This is the brush. Well, I can't even see this anymore. E10 by Sigma. It's an eyeliner brush, and I'm going in with e.l.f.'s cream eyeliner. Oh my god, you guys, this cream eyeliner is life. I always use eyeliner. Well, it's rare. Lately, I've been doing looks when, not necessarily when I'm in a hurry, but I will do like a simple look without an eyeliner. So, which I might do a video for that too. I don't know. But yeah, I love me a winged eyeliner. That's like my go-to look. I enjoy doing these wing eyeliners. Only and when they actually come out the way they're supposed to, because sometimes they won't. Like, I literally, once or twice, I actually had to take it off completely. I got a wipey and just started all over again. I was so mad. And usually when I get so, yeah, right there, I'm just like, ugh, like, it's not really like doing what it's supposed to. So I had that look on my face like, really, Jen? Like, this isn't coming out the way. And sometimes I say, okay, I'm going to do it really thin, and it comes out really thick. Like, I don't know how the heck that happens. It's ridiculous, guys. Excuse me. I am so sleepy, you guys. It is about 11:30. Yes, I am up editing this thing. I'm like, whatever. So then when I went ahead and skipped the other eye, well, I just did it really quickly off camera. Now I'm using my Lancome eyelash curler. I got stuck there for a second. And just curling my lashes before I do put my mascara and my lashes on. So, yeah. And that's what I'm doing. Now I'm over here like thinking away. I'm going in my CoverGirl mascara. That's one of my favorite mascaras, you guys. On top of the Butter London one. It's amazing. The Butter London one, I got it on BoxyCharm. On a BoxyCharm. I think it was last month or the month before. I don't remember. And there I'm putting my lashes with tweezers. Those are Lancome tweezers, you guys. They're kind of pricey. You'd be like, Jen, why did you waste so much money on that? It was like 20 or 30 bucks, I know. And then I'm going in with my Baby Skin pore eraser. That is also my life. It's amazing. I love it. I had to buy it for I wasn't recently using primer for my clients, but you know what? They deserve it. So yeah, I do use primer for my clients. And I'm just going in with my hands. I have a brush actually that I do use for that, but I couldn't find it. So I was like, I skipped it. Then I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Lock It Foundation and also my Sonia Kashuk foundation brush number 130. Yeah, that's one of my favorite brushes, you guys. I got it on sale because she was redoing, I guess, her whole brush line. And I got like 2 of those. So one's for my kit and one's for me. But I absolutely love this foundation, you guys. It's full coverage. That's like probably my 3rd bottle. I mean, not that that matters, but that just shows how much I like it a lot. I also use a Too Faced foundation in Golden Beige. But lately, I've been digging this one a lot more because it's just full coverage. Why not? I absolutely love it. And then I'm going with my Shape Tape Concealer, you guys. And I think it's light medium. Yes, light medium. And I absolutely, a little bit goes a long ways, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, it's crazy. Like, I actually, they don't sell it here at my Sephora here in town. So I actually had my mother-in-law go buy me one at Phoenix because she was coming into town. And then I'm going with my buffing elf brush. It's a foundation brush, but I mostly use it to like buff out my concealer. And then I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier's setting powder. And the brush that I showed you is the M437. I use it to set my concealer. I really like that brush, you guys. It's so tiny. And then I'm going in on the other side to kind of buff that part out. Look at the faces we make, you guys. It's insane. It's crazy. Like, you open your mouth and everything. Like, you could probably let like 1 or 2, 3 flies go in there. Just kidding. No, probably. I think it's so funny. Kind of faces we make. Then I'm going back with my favorite palette. Going with the same color that I use as a transition color. And applying it under my lash line. And the brush that I use on this one. And this one's also just a really tiny brush that just can go either in the inner corners or under your lash line. It just says Morphe. It also came in the set. I'll link the set down below. That way you guys can go check it out and purchase it. It's like basically focused only on your eyes. So I'm doing that. And then I'm going back with my palette and using that shimmer highlighting little highlight powder shadow, and I am using which one is a Sigma Firm Shader E57, the one that I use for my brow bone, and just going into my inner corners and highlighting my little inner corners. And also, I forgot what I was gonna say, you guys. But anyways, as you can see. And then I'm gonna go in with my NARS Casino powder, you guys, and then going in with Morphe's. This one also, it's just a contouring set that I got on Morphe as well. I'll link that down below, and it's one of my favorites, you guys. And that one, the one that I'm blending it out with, came with it. And then one more brush that was for concealer brush, but I don't use it as a concealer. I use it as a eyeshadow brush or whatever. So it's been my favorite so far. Like, I use that brush a lot. There's times where I wouldn't say contour, but maybe just go like under the cheekbones to get that, make it seem like I have something. And I used to never do that, but now I do. Next, I'm going to go with Pretty Vulgar blush that I got on one of my BoxyCharms as well. And that brush that I'm using, you guys, I just bought it. It's a blush brush. Yes. And I bought it at Ross. It's an Eckies brush, which means it's just a eh. Now I'm going to go in with an amrezy. Am I saying it right? I'm probably not. Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. And I absolutely love this highlighter, you guys. And I am using the Morphe M510 as my highlighting brush. It's amazing. I probably botched that name. I feel bad now. And then this is my favorite mascara, you guys. The Double Decker by Butter London. This is the one mascara that I was telling you guys about that I got in my BoxyCharm, one of my BoxyCharms, and I actually had another one. My mother-in-law buy me another one as well with the Shape Tape Concealer when she was, like I said, she came into town. So we don't have an Ulta where I live, which sucks. So yeah, I gotta drive either an hour to go to Ulta or 3 hours, and I ain't about that life. So I just wait for my mother-in-law to come. Now I'm gonna use my setting spray by MAC. I don't have it here with me, you guys. I don't even know what the heck it's at now. I think it's in my beauty room. I'm sticking my tongue. No, I don't mean that, you guys. That's just being silly. And fanning myself. And that is it for the look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, because I did. And I forgot to make a little video of how it came out, but I just stopped recording. I went to go do my hair. And I changed, as you can see, I put my hooped earrings on. That's a Adessa liquid lipstick, you guys. And I didn't put it on because I was still eating and drinking coffee. So I was like, nope, I'm not doing that. And I had an itch right there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and subscribe. And we will see you guys when we see you. Bye.